loso wanini.
Erokamano Ramogi Radio. Amoso jakoma Kefa Sujuka kaen e line. Ne studio ingi kolero weche moriere. Okangini MCA bentiere.
MCA is on the way.
MCA biro.
Obiro. Sharon, ma topic maber. Apani nyinga obedo printed screen kanyo. Ayaka Steve, and Secretary mar Copper Hill Sako. Watimo mining mar gold to gi copper. Though copper government no disrupt Martin. And I declare strategic mineral koro. Gichungo mining mare to gi export mare. But sani koro jowa concentrate gold mining at Sanol. Sharon, sovereign wealth fund an idea maber. Kindangeyo ni obedo borrowed from countries mosete memo or succeed kode like Norway, United Arab Emirates, China, and seriously developed countries. Idea ni ber kendo wanyalo compare kata gi Goldenberg Commission, but odwaro a lot of trust because when you accumulate a lot of billions, kaji your trust go, and all of a sudden pesa ni objective mare kuro onge kalore ni Kenya we keep on changing governments. One democratic government. After 10 years, another president is coming in, another government is coming in. Inyedo ka pesa ni well entie kuro ilare ala. But I like the fact ni pesa ni olosne gimilongo the Sovereign Wealth Fund Act. My President William Ruto no assent to the bill on 8th of July this year 2026. And then the conditions more certain mag withdrawal and spending. So Royal Fund kaka wange ni en malang mokan kuwuok excess surplus, like say royalties from our minerals kaka gold, copper, mawama en kilifini, lungo ni best titanium, soda ash, and a lot of minerals ma Kenya. And the primary objective mare any mondo occasion the country from economic shocks, recessions. There's a lot of geopolitics. Economy keep on shifting. Like katasani king price of gold. Some 3 months ago, and very okay. Sani gold price is declining. Those are the things my sovereign wealth fund card one go. The central bank nyalo wachoni instead of your Kenya also gold ebe imapin, we have this fund. When you withdraw it through procedures, mobile setup, unukuru wangio gold be maber kikio wa inyere. And so to me, sovereign wealth fund is a good idea, but it needs people who are ready to implement the fund, not politicians. Like if you look at the Sovereign Wealth Fund Act, or actually it has a committee of 7 professionals with experience mamalo kabisa. The chairman is appointed Girais, and there are 3 cabinet secretaries who are automatic members. That is the finance minister, who is currently our brother John Badi. There is the minister for petroleum, Chirchir. There is the minister for mining, alias Sanjo, and 4 more members, mangi background in law, finance, economics, or extractive sector like mining and oil. Kuro, this idea of coming up with this fund is good, and primarily for generational wealth, equity, infrastructure fund, and for cushioning the state. So anyalo wachoni briefly, to me it is good. Any other question relating to this, I will answer.
Erokamano ahinya. Hiwacho ni ober en mana ni yo makoro ibro bede ka itaye godo nikech adiera makende be nitiere